In this video, I'm going to share 10 ChatGPT hacks every YouTuber should know. Even if you are using ChatGPT, it should be effective, especially when it comes to saving your time while trying to grow your channel. So open up ChatGPT in another tab and follow along with me. And let's dive right in with tip number 1. Break down your prompts into smaller pieces. Some people try to write everything at once into one giant ChatGPT prompt, and that is not very efficient. It usually backfires. ChatGPT is great to speed things up, but it is not a mind reader. When you give it too many instructions at one go, then it can get confused and the result won't be that effective. Instead, go one step at a time. Start with something like give me 10 video ideas. Then say, let's say, turn idea 3 into an outline. And next, you can say, now write a hook for the outline. So you will get better results if your prompts are much simpler, cleaner, and more focused. Tip number 2, organize your chats with folders. Most creators start a chat every time they need something, and before you know it, the left panel will become a chaotic mess. So here is a better way for organizing your chats. You can create a project, and you can create a folder for each project or series. Let's say just one project for YouTube Shorts. You can create a project, then the folder will appear under the projects tab here. Now every chat you create under YouTube Shorts folder will stay under this folder. So you can keep things clean by starting a new chat for each task. For example, you can say one new chat for video ideas, one chat for outlines, and let's say one chat for your video scripts. So every time you want to create a YouTube Shorts video, you can find easily your chats that are related directly to your Shorts video under this folder. And your chats will be more organized and you can find what you need quickly under that folder. Tip number 3, you can assign roles to ChatGPT. Here is where things get even better. You can assign a role to ChatGPT by, let's say, for example, you can say, act like you're a scriptwriter. You can write a hook that grabs attention in the first 10 seconds. When you give it a role, ChatGPT shifts its tone and style to match. And speaking of tone, you can even tell ChatGPT how you want to sound your scripts. If you need it more energetic or more calm or more confident, you can simply say that. You can just say use a casual or encouraging tone. Or you can say make it sound more bold and punchy. And ChatGPT will create these outputs accordingly. When you are creating content, you need to do some research to get some additional information. And let's say you find a video that is 30 minutes long. With using ChatGPT, you don't need to watch the entire video from beginning to the end to figure out what is actually explaining in that video. Instead, you can copy the script of that video, paste it into ChatGPT, and for example, you can say, summarize this video into 5 key takeaways. When you do that, it is going to summarize you the video, so you will instantly understand the structure, the main points, and even the ideas worth modeling. It's perfectly usable to create content faster without wasting hours for research. Tip number 5, train ChatGPT to match your voice. ChatGPT responses are usually too generic, but you can fix that by training ChatGPT with your own content. You can simply paste one of your older content or video scripts and say, use my tone of voice for the upcoming content. The more examples you give to ChatGPT, the more it is going to adapt for your upcoming content, and the closer the script sounds like you are talking. ChatGPT is an amazing tool to speed up your content creation process, but only if you use it in the right way. To show you how for the upcoming steps, I'm going to use one example and we are going to follow the rest of the tips over that example, okay? So let's move on with tip number 6, which is brainstorming video ideas. Instead of saying, give me video ideas, you can give more details and ask, for example, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for beginners who want to grow their channel. If you be more specific, the answers ChatGPT will give will also be more specific. You can even go deeper and let's say, for example, make half of them evergreen and half of them based on trends. And ChatGPT becomes your personal strategist, giving you focused, high-potential ideas that you can actually rank in search results or get some trendy results. Tip number 7, write magnetic titles. Let's say you go with how to get your first 100 subscribers as the topic. And to write better titles, you can say, for example, give me 5 curiosity-driven title options for this topic. You can also tell the tone of make them bold and beginner-friendly. So you will get title ideas like still at 0 subscribers, do this to reach 100 fast, or like getting 100 subscribers is easier than you think if you follow this. So this makes your title generation fast, fun, and effective. Tip number 8, turn your idea into a solid outline. Next, you can ask ChatGPT the topic that you select, create a 5-minute YouTube video outline for the topic that you select, which includes an intro hook, main points, and also a strong call to action. So now you will get a clear structure, just a clean logical flow that is also easy to follow and easier to record. Tip number 9, expand that outline into a full script. Now, once your outline is ready, you can say, turn this outline into a full YouTube script using a casual, engaging tone. And to improve it even further, you can say add open loops, use short sentences and retention hooks to keep people watching. So it will create a more personalized script based on your input. So as you can see, now you have gone from a rough video idea to outline and to script in just a couple of minutes. Tip number 10, write a video description that actually helps you rank. Once your video is ready, now you can write a video description with ChatGPT. You can simply tell, write a description for the script and optimize it for search. You can even say, add timestamps and links to my website. And it will start writing your video description in a matter of seconds. It doesn't always calculate the timestamps correctly, but at least you will have your titles. So I strongly suggest to use AI tools like ChatGPT because it really saves your time and effort. But ChatGPT is not the only AI tool that you can use for content creation. There are also other helpful AI tools for that, and we're gonna talk more about them in the next videos. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.